Loreto College is a private, independent Catholic, day and boarding school for girls, located in Marryatville, an inner eastern suburb of Adelaide located about 4 kilometres (2.5 mi) from the Adelaide city centre. Established in 1905, the school is one of many around the world directed by the Institute of the Blessed Virgin Mary, IBVM. It caters for some 1,000 students from reception to year 12, including 70 boarders. History. A modest house in Sydenham Road, Norwood, became the first Loreto convent in Adelaide in 1905. The college opened with 5 students. 2 years later the nuns bought a larger house on the Parade, Norwood, and Loreto became a boarding school. By 1920 it was obvious that a larger establishment was needed to provide for the increasing number of pupils. In December of that year, Loreto moved to its present site when the nuns purchased the Acacias at Marryatville. The Acacias dates back to the earliest history of South Australia and is associated with some of the state's great pioneers, including George Fife Angus, Henry Kingsgate and Sir Edwin Thomas Smith. Sir Edwin Smith bought the property in 1878 and added extensively to it. The stables, built by Sir Edwin, housed the entire senior school until 1951. By this time there were more than 200 students at Loreto. College growth. The junior school was built in 1961 and the Mary Ward wing of the senior school in 1969. The increasing number of students necessitated new buildings and facilities, hence the gymnasium and art facilities were constructed in 1998 and the junior school administration in 2000. The award-winning Stage 3 project, which included the building of new senior school classrooms and the refurbishment of existing buildings, was completed during 2001. In 2005, 4 new middle school classrooms were built in the junior school to house Year 7 students in Chinese language classes. In conjunction with Montessori, the Loreto Bapthorpe Early Learning Center, coeducational, was added in the latter half of 2005 and was operational from the beginning of 2006. Out-of-school hours care, the new Portrush Road wall, car parking and landscaping were also developed in 2005. A hospitality and food technology center was opened in 2006 to deliver and expand curriculum offerings in that area. In 2007 a new boarding precinct development and the St. Gertrude's Music Center were opened, and in 2010 the St. Anne's Performing Arts Center was opened. Houses. Similarly to the other Loreto schools throughout Australia, Loreto Marryatville has 4 houses. Students are allocated to different houses which they represent at the school's annual events including the Swimming Carnival, Athletics Carnival, and Performing Arts Festival. Ward House is named after the founder of the IBVM sisters, Mary Ward. The house is represented by the color blue. Berry House is named after Mary Gonzaga Berry, who led the first group of Loreto sisters to Australia from Ireland. The house is represented by the color yellow. The school's art center is also named after Mother Gonzaga Berry. Molehill House is named after Mother Stanislaus Molehill, who joined Mother Gonzaga Berry as a Loreto sister. The house is represented by the color green. McGrath House is named after Mother Emilian McGrath, who was the superior of the Loreto Convent in Marryatville in the 1920s. The house is represented by the color red. Facilities. Facilities include notable alumni: Jessica Adamson, Channel 7 News Adelaide reporter; Emily Beaton, Adelaide Thunderbirds midquarter; Alyssa Fitzpatrick 2013 Rhodes Scholar; Danielle Fitzpatrick 2016 Rhodes Scholar; Libby Kasmala, winner of 9 Paralympics gold medals for shooting; Helen McCabe, editor-in-chief of the Australian Women's Weekly; Amelia Mulcahy, Channel 7 News Adelaide weather reporter. Notable staff: Chloe Fox, English, French, and History. See also: List of schools in South Australia. List of boarding schools. References. External links. Loreto College website.